Are you on a mission? Are you on a mission to escape? Where are you going? Huh? I see you. Where are you going? Lewis? Your brain's really thinking, isn't it? It's like, yeah, I want to get down. I'm going to get down. Oh, you did it. You did it. Whoa. You did it. And look at that mess you got over there. She did it. Where are you going? Huh? You escape artist? You escape artist? No, no, no. No going in the kitchen. No going in the kitchen. No, Izzy. She's hiding in the box. Why am I in this box? Because you go after Lewis. What are you doing, silly bird? Huh? You escaping? My goodness. I see you. Woo! Come here. Woo! It's like Izzy gets to explore on the floor. Can I? Izzy's like, I want to play. Where are you going? Not let you go in the kitchen. How did you do that? Poop on the floor, get me distracted, and then run in the kitchen. Yeah. We see how you are. Really? Where are you taking the carpet? Huh? Where are you taking that rug? I can't even talk straight. Hey. Woo! Where are you going? Silly bird. Hey now. Come on. Let's go. We gotta go back in the living room. Come on, get up there. Oh, you're gonna hold on to the rug, are you? Come on. Come on. Where are you going? Come on. There you go. There you go. Why do I pick her up with the dustpan? So she don't get me. Because when she's out walking, she don't want to be picked up. And she'll try to get me. See her? She's trying to get up there already. Gotta set it down. Now you stuck on the chair. What are you doing on the chair? Huh? Now we can get you. See? I got a little better angle than when she's on the floor. There you go. Are you done being an escape artist? Huh? Are ya? Did you get that all run out of ya? Crazy girl. Running all over the place. She's like, everyone else gets to run on the floor, Mom. Oh. Alrighty. Love you.